Hey everybody, Jeremy here, Flatware Creations. Somebody asked how to mount your tools to your bench. So this is just a short video. The way I do it, I use this vise at every show. So I have a bolt that goes through, it's fully threaded. So no matter how thick the desk, the bench or table is. So this is an old dining room table, and then I have placed a 3/4 inch plywood on top. What you're going to want to do is get your tool in place. So I got mine so that this is free. I have a little bit of room here. So take your drill bit, that's the size of your screw, or not screw, but your bolt, or just a little bit bigger. Once you get your piece in place, draw all the way through. And because this is, I take this with me so often, I just put wing nuts on there and I tighten them down, and that allows me to just undo it, toss the bolts up here, and take it with me on the road. For my pieces that are mounted and don't move, I have regular nuts underneath, and they've been tightened down with a washer on the bottom side. So it will be the bolt on top. Underneath there will be a washer right here, and then your nut. And then those are tightened down with wrenches or pliers, so they get really nice and tight. For my press, I just have it so that it's movable, but I just had an eye bolt, and it's on there with a wing nut that I just dropped. Ooh. And that's so whenever I'm working here, I can move this out of the way, and then whenever I need it back, put it back on my mark, and I can just tighten this back up. And once it's tight, then I can just, then it's solid. So I hope that helps you, and I hope you guys all have a good day. Keep making, and I hope everybody stays safe.